Binge eating disorder is an eating disorder characterized by, as the name infers, by binge eating, by out-of-control eating, where people eat more than they normally would or more than most people would consider a normal amount of food in a way that feels out of control, with guilt and shame and remorse afterwards.
So binge eating disorder is a disorder where binge eating happens. And binges are defined, again, as eating more food than any person would consider to be a normal amount of food. Binge eating disorder usually is defined as that behavior occurring at least once a week. For some people, the binges may happen more often, but if you are engaging in this binge eating once a week, you would probably qualify for this disorder. People with binge eating usually do not have compensatory behaviors to their binging. They are only binging, but they are internally experiencing often great amounts of shame, great amount of a sense of discomfort and unhappiness with who they are. So someone with binge eating disorder can benefit both in terms of the physical aspects of binging, but also the psychological aspects of binging, and should get treatment.